Hi, I'm James Bruce from MakeUseOf.com, and today I'm taking a look at an incredible value gaming keyboard, mechanical gaming keyboard from our friends at GearBest. It's called the E-Blue K727 Mazer, and it's available now for under $70 from GearBest.com. It represents great value for money, has some really good feeling keys, and a bunch of cool lighting effects, which I'll show you later. By daylight, the design isn't all that much to look at. Here we have the white model with black Cherry MX keys, although it also comes in a black model with a full range of red, brown, blue or black MX keys underneath for the mechanical switches. The main body of the device is this solid metal steel plate here, which adds a real weight to the item. Though the underside is a translucent white, which you'll see why later. The keys have a good bit of travel to them. They do feel nice. They do get a nice clicky touch on it. I really like that. They're well spaced, and I must say I prefer this gaming keyboard to my last gaming keyboard, which was from Microsoft. It had really low depth on the keys. It just didn't feel good. I would always hit the wrong keys, never know where I'm hitting them. Anyway, this is much easier to both type on and for gaming to get that tactile feedback. In terms of additional keys, the Mazer's quite limited. You can see it's a mini-sized keyboard. It doesn't have the full range of number pad keys on top of here, for instance. However, it does have the standard function keys up there, things like Internet Explorer and volume and play controls, that kind of thing. You might use those. What I really like are the additional gaming features. For instance, up here we can choose between 8 millisecond, 4 millisecond and 2 millisecond refresh timing on the keys, and there's also a lock button for the Windows key. I don't know about you, but I often find when I'm playing games I will accidentally hit it, it boots me out to the desktop, sometimes crashes the game. It's really, really annoying. The E-Blue K27 also looks fantastic in low light situations with a discrete blue underneath and with a complete rainbow of colours up on the top for each row. There's a couple of different modes, most of which are just for fun or to show off your PC. There's this marquee style, ripples with every key press, a short decaying light with every key press, or you can simply turn on only a few different buttons, and this is easy to program in yourself. So if you have a favourite layout for your game, then you can add that and only have certain buttons light up. Unlike some customizable keyboards though, there's no software control of this, so you can't, say, load in a profile for a specific game. It's just down to you to load those manually onto the keyboard and then use that programming key to save the ones you want. Again, the functional use of these LEDs is a tad limited, but there's no denying it looks awesome. So if you're looking for a good mechanical gaming keyboard on a budget, then I can definitely recommend the Mazer K727 from GearBest.com for under $70. It has some pretty critical features for gaming, but it also feels great to type on. And the flashy LED stuff looks awesome. Obviously doesn't have that much function to it, but it's still very cool. Anyway, thank you for watching. Do subscribe to this channel and head on over to the link in the description if you'd like to win one of these for yourself. In addition, if you type in the code that you'll see on screen now, you can get some additional entries to thank you for watching our review.